Well, hello. If you've got an LG refrigerator, French door, and your ice maker is not working, you need to take out open up your bottom drawer and take out your shelves. The door comes off relatively simply by removing a Phillip Head Screwdriver on both sides, Phillip Head screw. Then you tip the front of the door up, and these are hinged in, so you just pick it up a little bit and pull it out, and those two little screws hold it in place. So once you do that, you need to remove the ice maker. The ice maker's got two screws in the front that go through the bottom. That would be like right about here. So you got to take out those two screws. Okay. Then you got to pull the ice maker towards you a little bit, jiggle it gently. Okay. And then there's a clip plug that you have to remove. What happens is there's a bunch of crud that gets built up in here and frozen. You need to clean that out. Also clean it out up here a little bit. And then your ice maker should work again. Okay, so after you get it all put back together, I put a towel in the bottom of my freezer here. If you see on the bottom, I don't know if I can get zoomed in, there's a test switch. All you have to do is press this button. So I've got it all plugged in. It's clean. See how nice and clean it is now? I used a toothbrush to clean that up. So then I made sure the ice maker's on, plugged it in, pressed the test switch. You'll see the plastic thing will turn around 180 or 360 degrees, and then the water will come on. You see how soaked it is? So this is functioning. The water's coming out. I've had to clean this a couple times now. What happens is this gets frozen up, and then it doesn't allow the water to get into your ice cube tray. So it'll dump out the cubes, but it won't fill. So now it's going to work. Hope this helped. Okay, so I put it back together. Once again, it's just two screws up here. You line up the topper portion and you push it back just a tiny bit, and then you just put the screws in. We'll go ahead and test it now. Press this button. That little lever that comes down, I imagine, is checking to see if it's full or not. See, it just it would have dumped the ice out. Now it comes back up. Now it's filling. I don't know if you can see that, but you can probably hear it. Okay, that's it.